Our society is a democratic movement. Hereket asks for the international community for assistance and comprehensive support. We want to participate. 1. In support of democracy and development in Turkmenistan. 2. In the liberation of the peoples of Turkmenistan from Turkmen-Bashizm. 3. In consideration of complaints and rehabilitation of political prisoners of Turkmenistan. 4. Assisting the citizens who lost property and housing because of the illegal actions of their authorities of Turkmenistan. 5. To provide of comprehensive assistance to citizens suffered due to the violation of human rights in Turkmenistan.